Hey babes, it's Winnie Jean, and today I want to show you guys how I got this super soft flexi rod set that I featured in my last lingerie try-on haul. I also wore this style in the Urban Hydration ad I was in recently, and it turned out really pretty using these products, so stay tuned if you want to see how I got this really soft and pretty look. It is like 1 o'clock in the morning and I am looking crazy. I'm in my bathroom, so if there's an echo, I am so sorry. But a few people under my lingerie try on haul video wanted to see how I got my hair in those like big curls. And I've had the same ponytail sitting in my hair for like 2 days. I don't need y'all judging me, okay? Okay, so to start off with the hairstyle, it's basically a braid out flexi rod set situation. I use the orange flexi rods, and I have a surprise for you guys at the end of the video if you make it all the way there. Don't skip through. A few days ago, I washed my hair with the Urban Hydration Avocado and Argan Oil line shampoo and conditioner, and then I put some oil in my hair and then threw it into braids. Let that dry. Ended up throwing it in a ponytail and leaving that ponytail in my hair for like 2 days. So my roots are extremely tangled. So what I'm gonna do is just go through and blow dry my hair out on a cool setting just to make sure I have all the kinks and stuff out of it. I have super thick hair and it will mat up so fast. I'm thinking about trying the rice water challenge. If you tried it and you like it, comment down below, because I think I'm gonna start it like April 1st to do like a full month and see if I really like it. I'm about to go through and blow dry the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back once everything is like flued out. Once it's blued out, is that no. Once I blow dry everything out, I'll be back. Side note, comment down below what you like to do when you're doing your hair. I personally like to either like smoke and relax and kind of like do my like spiritual thing, or I like to watch YouTube videos, and some of my favorite YouTubers are Malibu Dollface, Mary Jane. She's like a traveler. She's like a young black girl. She travels a lot. Love her. Raven Elise. If I'm trying to be messy, I like Lovely Tea. Who else? Glamazon, He Flawless. Oh, Rachel Talbot. That's like my like relaxation guilty pleasure. I love watching her clean. Between her and Raven, their cleaning videos, I'm like all on top of them. Aaliyah's Face. She has a really good channel. I love watching her like 3-in-1 videos, but anywho, I'm about to watch some YouTube videos, blow dry my hair out, and I'll be back once everything is done. Okay, cool. So I had to open the door. That's why the back's been switched up on you. I had to open the door because it got a little spicy in here, but this is my hair all blown out. I'm gonna be on the Ludacris video. Yeah, I'm giving a little Bow Wow vibes. Let me stop playing. Okay, so it's time for the percolator.
It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. It's talking about.
It's time for the. Okay, no, for real. It's time to put the flexi rods in. So I basically do the same sections for every hairstyle. I always start with the back of my hair. Like, why do I have so much? Let me stop complaining. But like literally, this is enough hair. Like this ponytail would be reasonable for somebody's whole head. And it's like just the back. I'm not talking about like the length. The length of my hair is like decent. Like that's reasonable. The thickness, like if my hair was a wig, it'd be like 200% density. Like it's ridiculous. What do I need to do? Okay, so I'm gonna split the back into 2 parts. Wham bam. Okay, boom. So I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, my Urban Hydration. ignore my thumbnail. And then the daily moisturizer. Get on my face. And running it through from the roots to the ends. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the moisturizer and I'm just gonna put this on the ends, really. A little bit. I guess I just rake it through, but I focus it mainly on the ends. Then I'm gonna comb through the section. Then I separate the section into 3 parts. They do not have to be perfect at all. Typically when I do this hairstyle, it's like just like this. In a rush. My hair has been all over my head for like 3 days. And I got something to do tomorrow. And that's when I whip this hairstyle out, because it doesn't need to set as long as like a braid out would, because my hair isn't wet. So I can kind of like make this shake no matter what. And you can also do this style on wet hair. It'll just come out a lot tighter. It won't give that like roller set vibe. It'll be more of like it'll give you more of like perm rod set curls. So I'm just braiding this section down, 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 down. And now I'm like halfway. I stopped braiding here. I'm just dampening the ends to make sure that I get the curls to come out really smooth. And now I'm going up my flexi rod, wrapping and smoothing the end. You want to make sure it's really, really smooth. And then I just roll up to the root. And give it a little twisty twist. Bam, okay? Okay, so for this section, I think I want to wear bangs. So I want to have like curls coming to the front. So I'm going to do half of this section going back and then the other half going towards the front. So I'm just going to part this here across the crown. Yeah, everything behind the equator going back, everything in front of the equator going front. I'm going to do this section really quick and then I'll be right back because I feel like you'll be able to see better here. Also, I do not focus on the parts. As you can see, I part it any kind of way because once you pick everything out, it honestly does not matter. The only part that I would avoid is having a straight part all the way down the back of your head because it can kind of have your hair split in half and that is not cute to me. But some people don't notice, some people don't care. I would judge you. This is just my personal opinion. I'm just saying. All right, BRB. When this section is done. I look like Tinky Winky. I'm about to go to bed. I don't need your judgment because I'm gonna be cute tomorrow. Okay, thank you. This is what it looks like when I go to bed. I'm about to go grab my scarf. Actually, give me 1 second. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flexi rods in my head. And it is now 1:22 a.m. So I'm probably gonna take this down around like 12 o'clock tomorrow. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm about to finish watching this Jackie Aina video. Did I say her name earlier when I was naming my favorites? That's like a shoe-in. I'm gonna try to force myself to go to bed because I normally work until I go to sleep. I'm about to force myself to go to sleep, and then I'll check in with you guys tomorrow morning, honey. Okay? Unlike somebody, mama. Get your words. Do you wanna go to the bathroom? Do you wanna go to the bathroom? Ooh, having a black mama have you scared to pee. Every time you go to the bathroom, you're getting popped in your lips. It's giveaway time, and you're gonna want to be subscribed to the channel, so go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Now for this giveaway, I'm giving away 2 packs of flexi rods and the entire Urban Hydration argan oil and avocado oil line. I've been using these products a lot recently on my channel, and I absolutely love them. Now to enter the contest, I'm giving these away on my own. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram at Wynne Jean. So type in at WYNNEJEAN and follow me on Instagram. Here is the most recent CVS ad that I was talking about where I wore this hairstyle. And also make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'm looking at you right now. Click it. Thank you. Love you. And yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. And let's get back into the video. So here I'm just taking down the flexi rods. I like to coat my hands in a little bit of oil. Today I'm using coconut oil, and I'm just slowly taking apart the braid. And once the braid is taken down, then I'll go ahead and start to kind of pull apart the curls. I'm not pulling them apart too crazy. I don't want to add too much frizz yet because I'm going to go in and pick everything out once we have all of the curls taken down. As you can see here, I'm just pulling everything apart kind of gently. I'm not really doing too much. I'm just slowly separating the curls until everything's a bit more voluminous and fluffed out. And then once I get to a point that I'm comfortable with, I go in with either a pick or some type of comb and I just fluff out the roots. So I just put my comb in the roots and kind of pull out about 1 inch or 2 inches, and this just helps to build up volume in this style. I find that it looks so pretty when it's really big, and if I'm really trying to get in there and fluff it out, I just use my fingers and I like legit fluff it out and call it a day. This is the final look, guys. It looks beautiful for a few days. I love this style because after it gets a bit old, I'll put it in a bun and it still looks pretty. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I love you. Bye.